Hello everyone, welcome to this question number 17 and question number 19 which was asked in the IIT JAM 2020 mathematical statistics. What is that? Question number 17 is there which is related to the linear transformation and you have to find some values are there. That's a very simple, there's no problem about that, and since it is a question number 17 so it is of the 2 marks. We will see how we can solve them. What is the question number 19 are there? So again this is a 19 are there, so it is of the 2 marks. How we can see? We can see this is the question related to this without displacement, that's the on the distribution functions are there. Now how you can think about these two questions in a very efficient manner are there, how you can think about that. So let's see in this video, we will see about myself Dr. Gar. You can simply follow this link for finding the various videos on the previous year papers. Now let's discuss about the linear transformation. Your target is to find the values of here. Now what is the logic behind how you can solve them? There is no need to solve the problems. You have to think about that what is given to you. I have written here these values are given to you and your target is to find the pair of the 1 1 1. So you can see, always remember that linear transformation is form a vector space, remember. So it is must be the closed form are there. So if you think about this problem, you can see it's a very simple relation is that the last part is a 0, it's a 0, it's a 0. So whatever the linear combination of them, it's always be the 0. Whatever is there, the last part will be a 0. It means this option will be cancelled out. Now if you think about the any other zeros are there, no. So now other A, C, D maybe have any of the one. Now how you can think about that? You have to write this pair 1 1 1 as a linear combinations of these others are there. Now how you can think very quickly as a linear combinations of the elements of this. So you can simply compare them. The first element is A plus B. The second element is here, what is that? This is A plus C, and the third element is my B plus C. Now how you can solve them? How you can find the value of the A, B, C? If you add them, what will happen? This is nothing but my 3 times A plus B plus C. What is my A plus B plus C is nothing but my 3 by 2. So from here, if A plus B is my 1, what is the value of the C is my half? What is the value of the A is my again half? B is again my half. So once you will get as the value of the half, half and half. So what is the value of the T? You can find that. It means that you have to multiply this value by the half, this value with the half, this value with the half are there. Now you can pair them. So since this is half into this is 1, this is 1 plus 1 2. So this option is also cancel out. This option also cancel out. So the right answer is my here. You can see that if you add them the first pairs, this is a half plus 2 into half 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. You can see this is 0. It's a 2 and it's a 0. It's a 2. It's a 0. It's a 0 and it's a 1 and last pair is 0. So 2 2 1 0 is the right answer. So that's a simple way you can solve this question 17 within a 1 minute are there. Now look about this question number 19 are there. So what come in your mind when you read this question? So first of all, it is quite clear that you have to calculate the probability. What is come in your mind whenever there is a without a replacement term? So always you have to work on the hypergeometric distribution. So if you remember that, that's fine. But if you don't remember, that's again there is no problem. What you can do is you have to simply read the line. There are the 10 firecrackers. Out of them, 4 are my defectives. This is a problem given to you. So how many are undefectives are there? This is non-defective. That's the problem state. If 3 firecrackers are selected at random from 10, so you have to select it 10 out of 3, and your target is to find the probability that all the 3 firecrackers are defective. So this is the column for the defective. Out of these 3, all are defective. So it means none of them will be here. So what is the right answer for this? So you have to write this as a 4C3, this pair, 6C0 as a second pair, divided by the total of this, that's a 10C3. Now you can simplify it. How you can, 6C0 is 1, so 4C3 is nothing but my 4C3, 10C3 is nothing but my 10, 9 and 8. This is 3, 2, 1 also, and 3, 2, 1 are also. So this will be cancelled out. 4 to your 8 will be cancelled out. 1 into 3 will be cancelled out. So the answer is my 1 by 30. Which one is there? This is the right answer. So always remember you have to draw this line and take this as a combination 4C3, this as a combination of this 6C0 and 10C3 as of. Whatever you can go solve this, that will get the right answer of this. So you can see that within 1 minute you can easily get the answer of this question number 19 and you can get the full marks. So this is the one question we have discussed about this simple tricks. But if you want to find some more questions on this distribution functions, so you can simply watch my previous videos on the probability and distributions, where you can find these 16 questions and within 1 minute you can solve each of the problem very simple manner. You can follow this link for finding the various videos. Else now we have discussed so far up to these questions in my last 3 videos. This is for the first, this is second and third. Now we will see in these questions in our next videos. Till then, you can simply follow this link for finding them. Best of luck.